Parnam.
Parnam.
Yeah.
And like, how do you say, like instead of like bhai and like kawali?
Bhai, bheji,
Bheji.
bheji.
Parnam bheji.
Okay,
Parnam
so
bheji.
now in Uttarakhand you will not say bhai, you say bheji.
I say bheji.
हाँ.
Bheji.
हाय गाइस, वेलकम एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई होप आप सब बहुत अच्छे होंगे एंड आई एम ऑल्सो फाइन इन माई नेटिव। बट भाई मुझे बुरा इस बात का लग रहा है बिकॉज मैं कल वापस जा रही हूँ बैंगलोर एंड कल मेरी फ़्लाइट है। इतने दिन मैंने इतने सही बिताए हैं, शादी में, गाँव में, घास काटा और बहुत सारी पहाड़ी चीज़ें करी और पहाड़ी फ्रूट्स खाए। अब मेरे को ऐसा बीटी हो रहा है कि यार मुझे नहीं जाना है वापस बैंगलोर। फिलहाल मैं अभी ऋषिकेश में हूँ। भाई मेरे को ना इतना ट्रॉमा हो गया था पैकिंग करते करते। मेरी मम्मी बोलती है ये भी रख, वो भी रख, ये भी रख, वो भी रख, दिमाग ख़राब हो गया था। फिलहाल मैं छत में आई थी एंड हमको यहाँ पे वेद मिला। वेदू मेरे को बोलते दीदी आपने आज व्लॉग चालू नहीं किया, तो आज वेदू को व्लॉग में लेंगे बिकॉज वेदू इज़ वेरी एक्साइटेड टू कम इन माई व्लॉग। वेदू हाई व्लॉग में
हाय।
क्या बोलना चाहता है व्लॉग में? अब मैं वापस जा रही हूँ, क्या बोलना चाहता है? तेरे को याद नहीं आएगी मेरी? हाय आएगी तेरे को मेरी याद? एंड ये कौन है तेरा दोस्त?
मेरा दोस्त है और बहुत घटिया लग रहा है।
क्या बोला तूने?
बहुत घटिया लग रहा है। क्यों?
उसका फेस देखो तो उसको एलर्जी हो रही है।
क्या हो गया? एलर्जी? हाँ एलर्जी हो रही है। क्या हुआ बच्चे?
इसका बिल्ली ने काट लिया।
बिल्ली ने काट लिया?
हाँ
बिल्ली के काटने की वजह से उसको एलर्जी हो रही है?
हाँ, इंजेक्शन लगा उसने।
इंजेक्शन लगाया?
नहीं लगाया।
नहीं लगाया? अरे कोई बात नहीं, ठीक हो जाएगा। तूने क्या लगाया यहाँ मुंह पे काला काला?
पता।
मिट्टी तो नहीं खाता? तो छुप छुप
पागल
के?
है क्या?
नहीं पागल नहीं है तो मिट्टी खाता है, सच बोल।
देख तो कैसे शर्मा रहा।
Okay guys, I was just roaming around the roads of Rishikesh and I found somebody.
Hi, I'm Simon. I'm from Austria.
Okay, hi Simon. Simon from Austria, guys. Say hi to Simon.
Hi there.
And
I'm Yohei from Japan.
okay, we have Yohei from Japan and both of us and me. I am taking them to Rishikesh, the Gangas. I mean Triveni Ghat because they wanted to buy some carts to play around in Rishikesh. But how long it's been for you guys here?
India? Or
Not in India, in Uttarakhand, Rishikesh.
Second day basically, right? Like we arrived yesterday.
You arrived yet? Okay, so
Yeah.
only both of you?
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
We like traveled together and like today we took like in the morning we took a bath in Ganga in like at 7 a.m.
Okay,
Very cold.
that's cool. So is this your first time in Uttarakhand or
Yes.
First time.
first time? You love the place?
Yeah. I guess.
Have you been to the Gangas? I mean the Triveni Ghat, the puja side?
Never been.
To Triveni?
For Benigard?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Just come
just
from there.
been there.
Yes.
I believe so. You guys should go at 7 o'clock, at 7 p.m.
7 p.m.,
At
yeah.
7 p.m. because we have puja where you can witness a lot of good things and a very massive Indian culture.
7 p.m.
7 p.m. Yeah.
7 p.m.
Yes.
Let's go. Ikimasho.
Okay, guys. So it's so cool meeting Simon and Yuhei from Japan because I'll tell you, I've come before in Uttarakhand 6-7 years ago where I used to find people from Australia or UK or London. But I am also coming to Uttarakhand after a long while, and I'm very excited to see you guys here because before in Uttarakhand we had a lot of people, I mean a lot of tourists, but right now it's just 20% out of 100.
I heard, yeah.
Yes, we have very less tourists now in Uttarakhand, and I was so happy seeing them. I was just going with my mom, and मैं सोच रही थी कि what are these people doing here? Should I just ask them? Should I just help them? And they wanted to go through the market side, so I'm just dropping them. But nice meeting you. Nice meeting you guys.
Thank you. Which province in India?
Uttarakhand only. I'm a Pahadi. I'm from the same region. I was born here.
Wow.
But right now, it's been 13-14 years that I'm in Bangalore.
Oh.
So I study in Bangalore. Yeah, Bangalore.
South down.
Yeah, South Zone. But I was born here, so this is my hometown. Yeah.
Rishikesh, you were born in Rishikesh?
I was not properly born in Rishikesh, but I've been in Rishikesh. Rishikesh is very closely connected to me.
I see. That's very interesting.
Yes.
And what do you study, if I may ask? What is your field?
I am studying Bachelor's of Business Administration.
Oh, I'm doing the same thing. I'm
Hey, झूठ बोल रहा है.
also doing like business
Oh.
administration. Yes.
Okay, where? From where?
In Austria, like in my home university, but now I've been on exchange semester in
Okay.
Thailand because I'm
Oh, so
focusing on international.
So now
Yes.
you're in Pattaya now? In Thailand?
No, not in Pattaya, in Bangkok.
In Bangkok. Okay.
Yes.
I've just been to Bangkok, guys, a week ago. I mean,
Really?
yeah, I was there for my work purpose. So I was just in Thailand and now I'm in Uttarakhand. Tomorrow I have a flight to Bangalore. I don't want to go. I really want to tell you guys, this place is so pretty.
Yeah.
You will not feel like going back.
It's very serene, like you feel.
It is, yeah. If you're a person who love to see water and puchas and stuff, you will love it. But that's nice. I mean, these people have come to Uttarakhand for the first time, guys. Cheers to that.
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा चल हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा चल
Like learn a little bit Hindi.
Okay, learn a little bit Hindi, yeah.
I know how to like you address like normally people like as bhai, as like brother.
Bhai.
But like I don't know what is like the female equivalent. Do you also say bhai? Because like
No.
I'm reading like books or like is it Barbie?
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा
Bhabhi?
No, not Bhavi. Bhavi is brother's wife.
Brother's wife.
So you
okay.
cannot call everybody Bhavi because unmarried, just like I am unmarried, you cannot call me Bhavi because I'm not married yet.
Okay, then that makes sense.
You will just just call me sister or just say Behan.
Behan.
Say Behan. So Bhai means brother,
Yes.
and Behan means sister.
For like same age and older, does it work the same way?
For older, you can say aunt, like in English we say aunt, and then in Hindi you say auntie.
Auntie,
Auntie.
auntie and pen.
Haan.
Okay.
Or you can just say acha suno.
Acha suno.
Acha suno, yeah.
Acha suno.
Yeah.
Thank you for enlightening me.
Oh, that's okay. And also, I would suggest you river rafting, bungee jumping. We have all that very nearby. It is just 12-13 kilometers from here. We have a lot of adventurous games here.
Do you like bungee jumping?
I just did bungee jumping last week.
Okay.
I did, yeah.
I
It was
cannot.
crazy.
I cannot.
No, you can. You just
Straight up high.
I cannot.
guys, you guys are in Uttarakhand and Rishikesh. You guys have to try that.
Scary.
It's not scary. It is very interesting. It's not scary.
Even, I mean, like even if we die, we'll like how do you say? We'll be buried in holy.
I'm
holy
not good
soil.
at-
Oh, you will be buried in the holy
Say.
city. I mean,
But like same as him, yeah. Like we I don't think heights are like for us.
okay. So if you don't want to do bungee jumping, then I believe you guys can do river rafting at least. You guys have done river rafting. I mean, it's
Not here in Austria, like back home, but not here.
this one is crazy, guys. I mean, I am telling you, being Uttarakhandi, I know what's gonna be best here. You guys should try river rafting. Okay,
Yeah, well,
river rafting. Yeah.
put it on our list.
That's why people come here in Uttarakhand to, witness all of this. You guys are in Triveni Ghat, the best place.
That is
But after this, you guys should go to Shivpuri and do a lot of adventure. That's what I believe.
Okay.
Okay.
We take your recommendation. We take your
You should.
recommendation. We trust
You should. You should trust me. But if you're scared of bungee jumping, then I would say if you are very scared, really scared, then don't do it. But it is a wonderful experience. You will love it. If you will do it once and then you'll be like, oh my god, I'm a fan of this and I want to do it again. That's what you will feel.
I can imagine. Like one day in my life, I want to try. One day in my
Why one day in my life, Simon? You are here. You should just do it right now. You should.
I don't know. I don't know yet. I don't
He's
feel
so
like
scared. Oh
prepared.
God. Even I was
I'm
scared. Even I was scared. It was my first time this time as well.
Yes.
But it was amazing. It was crazy.
Auntie, आप
आप
प्यारे
लग
प्यारी खेलो
प्यारी लग रही हो.
लग रही हो.
ओके गाइस, तो साइमन को ना ताश खरीदने थे तो मैं उसको लिटरली इस आउटफिट में यहाँ बाजार लेके आ चुकी हूँ दिलाने के लिए. दिस इज द वन दैट यू वांट.
I will see. Can I see?
Yes, sir, you can open it. That is the one you're looking for? This one is crazy, na? The golden ones? My mom is saying it's real gold.
Definitely yes.
The golden ones are the most expensive ones.
Yes. I mean, of course.
Gold
It's real gold, you know.
Real gold.
It is not real gold. I'm just kidding. We are kidding. It's not real gold. My mom is saying why one is not enough for you.
Because I need free Indian marriage to play Indian marriage.
खेलना है बोल उसको. My mom just told that you have a pretty face. Shukriya Maji बोल.
What is the native language?
So we have a lot of native. So we have different parts here. But what people here in Rishikesh speak is Gadwali.
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 आप बताओ ना कि देर हो रही है गड़बड़ी.
Yes. My mom is speaking to you guys in Gadwali. She's saying that do it quick. You guys might be getting late.
What is different? What is different? Like how do you say hello or like namaste and like good one?
Friends.
प्रणाम.
What are some different?
प्रणाम.
Pranam.
नमस्ते मैंने प्रणाम.
Pranam.
प्रणाम.
Pranam.
Yeah.
Right. And like how do you say, like instead of like bhai and like kawali?
Bhai, bheji,
Bheji.
bheji.
Bhai naam bheji.
Okay, so now in Uttarakhand you will not say bhai, you say bheji.
I say bheji.
हाँ.
Bheji.
खूब छे भेजी तब तुम
And, huh?
खूब छे भेजी
खूब छे
खूब छे
बेची
भेजी तुम
खूब छे बेची तुम
ठीक ठाक छे
ठीक ठाक छे ठीक ठाक है
ठीक ठाक छे
ठीक ठाक छे ठीक छे
In Hindi we put है, हाँ, हूँ. In Gadwali we put छे, छा, छे. हाँ, something like that.
खानू छे
If you wanna ask for food, you say खानू
खानू
दिया.
खानू दिया
हाँ.
भूख लगी
भूख लगे
भूख लगी खाना दिया
लगे खानदा
भूख लगे खाना दिया
You will write down? Okay. बेचारा भाई इसको याद रहे क्योंकि लिख भी रहा है, एकदम नोट डाउन कर रहा है पॉइंट्स को कि मैं कहीं जाके बोलूंगा तो.
जल्दी खा लो
हाँ, जल्दी खा लो.
जल्दी खा लो लिक्विड
इनकी बोल दो क्लासेज है 100 रुपीज पर सेकंड
वो मैडम सिखाएंगे इन्हें 1 घंटे की क्लास
मैडम खुद मिली है. अब मैं अभी कल मेरी फ्लाइट है, मेरे को तो रास्ते में मिले हैं ये बेचारे. ये ताश ढूंढ रहे थे तो मैंने बोला बता देती हूँ कहाँ है.
अभी means what
अभी मीन्स राइट नाउ.
right now
मैंने सारा कुछ दिया इनको समझाओ ये देखो
हाँ हाँ वो.
ये उसमें भी है
So do you wanna buy this book? We have everything in this book.
हाँ यस
कितने की है ये भैया?
80 रुपीज की ओनली
80 rupees
ओनली
only. I mean, if you guys wanna spend on it, you guys can, or if not, you guys are still okay with that. People here are very friendly. You will find a lot of people who will guide you better.
everyone speaks Garbari
Here, yeah, everybody speaks Gadwali.
you
यस आल्सो गढ़वाली
Everybody Gadwali.
एवरीबॉडी गढ़वाली
So people in Gadwali region, you can call them Pahadi people. Pahadi, yeah. People from mountains.
हाँ वही तो कह रहा आप
So in Hindi, mountains means Pahad, and the people from mountains are Pahadis. Yes.
and I'm like something of a Bahadi myself because like I also like in my home we have like a lot of mountains.
Mountains, yes, you are also a Pahadi. Now you have just stepped into Uttarakhand and you are a Pahadi.
Mine Bahadi
हूँ, मैं पहाड़ी हूँ.
मैं Bahadi हूँ
हाँ,
मैं Bahadi हूँ
हम सब पहाड़ी हैं.
नमस्ते
नमस्ते नमस्ते भाई नमस्ते
भेजी.
बेजी नमस्ते बेजी
You can also say Hekadin Ola.
Hekadinola बेजी
what does it mean
It means we'll come next day.
Hakadinola
Yeah.
what is Beiji
Bheji means brother.
brother
Literally, Simon has written everything inside that book. I mean, he just, whatever he's learning, he's mentioned that. He's learning, he's mentioning in that. That's so cool.
I have super bad memory. I need to write down.
As per I saw right now, I don't think you have a super bad memory.
Like he's normally the talent in learning languages. Like I have I got the habit from him. Like in every country, like how do you say, like in Thailand we've been to, he learned the language within 2 months.
Thailand, Swadikap.
Yes, so like I have this from him now.
I might leave right now because I have a lot of things to do in Rishikesh. This is also my last day in Rishikesh. But nice meeting you, Simon. I forgot your name.
Yohei
Yohei. Okay, I am very bad at memory, guys. Both of them might be very beautiful and very smart, but I am not. I will forget names very soon. But nice meeting you. I mean, it was crazy meeting you. Nice meeting you here in Rishikesh. I will give you a suggestion. Please do bungee jumping, river rafting. Okay. I would love to say you that because you guys are young right now. Like you guys are also in your 20s. You should do that. And you guys are in Rishikesh. You must do it. Okay. Cool. See you around. Bye bye. ओके गाइस, तो गंगा स्नान तो आज नहीं कर पाए हम लोग बिकॉज हम लोग फॉरेनर्स से बात कर रहे थे और यहाँ वहाँ घूम रहे थे. तो ना फाइनली अभी हम लोग त्रिवेणी घाट में हैं ये सनसेट वाले व्यू के लिए. एंड हमको लगे बहुत तेज भूख तो हम लोग खाने वाले पानी पूरी. एंड बाकी तो हम कुछ कर नहीं रहे. मेरी शक्ल देखो तुम लोग, मैंने ढंग से मुँह भी नहीं उठाया. मैं यहाँ घूम रही हूँ ऋषिकेश में. लिटरली लोग इतने सही सही बन के आए यहाँ पे. एंड मैं यहाँ गंदी सी हुडी पहन के ट्राउज़र पहन के चल दी हूँ एकदम कम्फर्ट में. बिकॉज मैंने किसी से सीखा है कि लाइफ में यू जस्ट हैव टू लुक कंफर्टेबल टू लुक ब्यूटीफुल. सो
तू समझा? हाँ नहीं तू समझा नहीं.
भाई अभी पता लिटरली क्या हुआ. एक लड़की आई, मेरी मम्मी को बोलती है मैडम जी मैं आपका 1 मिनट ले सकती हूँ. मैंने बोला ठीक है कर लो बात. तो बोलती है कि हमारी एजेंसी है लोगों को पतला कराती है। मेरी जो मैम है उन्होंने 35 kg वेट कम किया है। मैंने बोला नहीं भाई, मेरी मम्मी मोटी अच्छी सी बहुत प्यारी लग रही है, एकदम पांडा जैसी, मुझे मेरी मम्मी का कोई वेट चेंज नहीं कराना, तुम निकलो। ऐसे नहीं कि मैं मतलब ऋषिकेश में देख रहा हूँ तुम लोगों को मोटा आदमी देखा नहीं कि मैडम वेट कम करवा लो। क्या कमी है भाई मेरी मम्मी में, देखो एकदम सुंदर सुशील लग रही है, एकदम सुंदर सी मेरी मम्मी। आ जाते हैं लोग कहाँ से कि वेट लॉस करवाना है। मेरी मम्मी एकदम पतली मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आएगी। ऑफकोर्स मैंने इमेजिन भी कर लिया है, मेरी मम्मी मोटी ही ठीक है, एकदम मस्त गोलू मोलू।